Hey friends, if you wish to send Google Drive attachments in Gmail, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Just open Gmail, click on Compose. For better visibility, I will expand it. Now type the to field, okay, and then type the subject. Now to add a Google Drive attachment, click on this drive symbol here, okay, and then we will pick up an attachment from Google Drive. Let's say this one, and since it is big, I can click on add as a link. Now it is a link, but it can be accessed easily. Whenever you click on it, it can either be downloaded or it can be opened as a doc file. I mean a Google Docs file, and then click on send. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.